Part of the excitement of travelling is the anticipation of arriving at your next destination. You never quite know what to expect. We're trying to locate our next villa called the Ylang-ylang.
Good, thank you.
Oh my God, this is a mansion.
Have a look at this place. This is so much more than a villa. Let me show you some of the rooms. Can you believe the opulence of this place? I've never seen a villa quite like this. Check out this relaxing sunken bathtub. Right next door is the Queen's room. Complete with ensuite. From this room, there's an internal sliding door that takes you directly to the kids' room. Good night. And it's another gorgeous morning here in Bali. And now it's breakfast time. The breakfasts here are amazing. You get fresh fruit and these healthy vitamin shots. There's great coffee and yes. And today I'm having poached eggs. You can also order these smoothie bowls. Everything here feels somewhat healthy. A quick walk outside the villa and you'll find lots of farmland. And even a local shop. Now on the beach side, you'll find many fishermen. And flying kites appears to be a popular pastime. And also tree climbing. Now this is a 6-bedroom villa. On the other side you'll find an exact mirror image with the same interior style. And now a refreshing coconut drink because we're about to take a drive to an exciting picturesque waterfall. Tibumana Waterfall, a 40-minute drive from our villa. It's a hidden gem deep in the jungle. I have never seen such a perfect stream in a natural waterfall. You don't realise how big and how powerful this stream actually is until you get close to it. After all that exertion, it was nice to have some coconut water. Here we are at Villa Ylang-ylang, and I've got Chef Kadek who's going to cook for us some amazing meals tonight. What have you got here?
Chicken Piri Piri.
Chicken Piri Piri with grilled vegetables.
Yeah, and garlic butter rice.
Okay, sounds delicious.
So
All right.
start?
Yes, let's start. For the grilled vegetables, there's bell pepper, zucchini, tomato, and onion. The piri piri sauce is made with bell pepper, onion, garlic, lemon zest, oregano, olive oil, chili, and salt. Now, they really treat you like royalty at this villa, so let's change the music.
Beautiful. Okay.
I consider this a wellness villa, and in Bali, massages are great value, so make sure you don't miss out. Another bintang, that's the local beer, and today a healthy lunch. Now this is what I'm talking about, the view from your master bedroom, and listen to this. This villa is stunning during the day, but it really shines at night. There's also a home theatre with amazing sound. The upstairs is perfect for a drink, a massage, or for yoga. And tonight we're having grilled seafood for dinner. Well, that's it, guys. I'm so sad leaving this paradise villa. We truly had an amazing time here. We love the people, love the food, and of course the place. But I am still excited and in the car on my way to the next villa. Or am I? Make sure you don't miss this next crazy villa. It's so close to the sea you'll think you're in a boat. So go on, click it now. Go on, click it. Quick, quick, before it disappears.